Welcome to Here to Host training videos. We're looking at Joomla 3 now, and we're going to look at one of our clients' websites, and we're going to show you very quickly how to edit an article. So this is an existing article on the website where you just simply want to change some text or add some text to an existing article. Two ways of doing it. The quickest and easiest way is actually in the front end. So we're going to look at Glenby Cottage, and if you go down to the very bottom, on their website they've got an admin login. You should have an admin login on your company website if it's with Here to Host and we've designed it. If you haven't, then talk to us and we will sort that out for you. Now I've already logged in here. Normally you click on the admin login and you would get the username and password, just enter it. Once you've done that, you can navigate the website as normal. So if we go to let's have a look at cottage tariffs. If we wanted to make a change to the tariffs page, just locate it, and once it comes up you'll find that there are buttons that aren't normally visible to the general public, and in this case it's this settings button here. If you click on the drop down, from there you'll be able to click on edit. It will bring up what's called a WYSIWYG editor. It's not too confusing. If you're used to using something like Microsoft Word or most basic word editors, you'll recognise this. So it displays the page and you can edit it to your heart's content, whatever you need to do. The moment that you click on save, it will publish those changes directly to the website and they become live. We're obviously not going to do that. We're going to leave it as the website should be. And that's it. From there, if you want to log out, just go back to the admin login page and just log yourself out, and that will return to the normal view that the general public will see when they're viewing your website. Okay, what we're going to do now is look at the back end, which is where you're logging in as an administrator onto the administration side. If you don't know what the website address, again, get in contact with us, or if you've forgotten your username and passwords, again, give us a ring or drop us an email and we will help you out. When you log into Joomla 3, this is what you'll see. You'll see the control panel. All the articles are stored under the content drop down under Article Manager, and it literally is as simple as finding the article in question and opening it up. You'll notice if you've got a lot of articles in your website, as in a lot of content, it will display the first 20 articles. You can change that by changing the drop down to all, so that you don't have to click from page to page to page. You can display all of them in one scrolling long view. So if we look at current tariffs, if we wanted to edit that again in the back end, or if we wanted to add content to it, again it will bring up the WYSIWYG editor, edits to your heart's content. You've got all the things here that you would expect to see, so bold, italic. Be careful with your fonts. Your fonts are normally already set through what's called a style sheet. You can change the fonts by using the WYSIWYG editor. It really does depend how your website's been set up. I would suggest that if you want to change the fonts on your website, then you speak to us, and we can make changes to the whole site rather than just the odd pages. It's not great practice to have different fonts. And again, make your changes, then click on save and close. And that is it. That's how easy it is to edit an existing article in your website. One of the other things you might be interested in for one of our other training videos is how to create an article from scratch and how to display it on a page. Thank you for watching. Any questions, please get in touch.